Alright guys, welcome back to Socially Bearded and happy Sunday. You guys know what that means. Another shave video. So, today, we're not going to do a soap today. We did a soap last week, shaving cream the week before. So today, we're going to check out the double edge razor from Hendrix Classics company. I picked this up from the razor company. Actually, I'll drop the price down below, but it was somewhere between, I think, $25 and $30. This is a really inexpensive razor. Like I said, it is a double edge. It works just like any other double edge razor. The top comes off. It's got a bottom plate, top cap, and then the handle, of course. It feels built really well. This thing has got a lot of weight to it. Now, right off the bat, one thing I did notice is a lack of any knurling or any pattern cut into the metal right here for grip, but I actually have a hack for that. And it's got a little bit right here, so you could use it, you know, like that. But if you're trying to reach maybe like the back of your head, it might present a little bit of a problem, but that's okay. We will get through it. And also, I really shouldn't be shaving. I've got a massive sunburn. You can see it, right? But I got to thinking, it's been almost a week since I've shaved, and you guys know I never go that long, right? So, I decided, let's try something that I've been thinking might work to kind of help soothe a sunburn, you know, while you're shaving. So, we'll just put the blade in there. So when you put the blade in a double edge, once you get that blade in there, grab that thing by the ends. Don't grab it the other way. You will cut yourself. Probably won't be a horribly bad cut, but it'll be bad enough. You won't want to do it again. So, whoops, get that in the view of the camera there. Just tighten that thing down all the way. Puts a little bend. How am I missing the camera? It puts a little bend in the blade there. Kind of set your angle. There's a lot of blade exposure that I'm noticing with this. A lot of blade exposure right there. So we'll see how it works. That's probably the most blade exposure that I have personally ever had, but I don't own a lot of DEs. So we'll see. Our soap, we just covered this soap last week. You guys, anybody that watched the video knows how much I like that. It's Pisca. Is how you say it, Pisca. And that's going to be from Murphy & McNeil. Our brush for today is going to be the Razor Rock Bruce, not the big Bruce, just a regular Bruce. Well, I got it sideways there. It'll be alright. I know we're not reviewing the soap again, but guys, I cannot say enough good about this soap. I was just absolutely impressed with this soap. It was, everything about it was great. The scent, the feel, the way my skin felt for hours after that shave was absolutely amazing. So let's hope this inexpensive razor will give us the same shave as we got last week with the as we was reviewing the shave soap. Alright, we've got our lather built. Now, here's something I've been thinking. If you've got a sunburn, if it's a bad enough sunburn that it hurts, and you really want to get a shave, but you're, you know, a little hesitant, you're a little afraid, like, man, what's that going to do to me? Mine's already starting to peel. If you can't, I don't know, maybe you can see that a little bit. Yeah, I'm starting to peel already. So, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take some beard butter, and I'm going to put a good layer of some kind of really thick beard butter on there. Hopefully I can find something in the shelf in there that's got a lot of mango butter in it. And I'm going to smear that all over that, and then I'm going to shave it off. My hairline comes to right about here, which the rest of my hairline's back here, but the point of it, kind of, you get it. So we're going to try that and just see what happens. Alright, so as soon as I got back here to my beard shelf, I kind of realized what I needed. Beard and Coast. he's got, there's a lot of butter in his beard butter. Shea butter, mango butter, cocoa butter. What else here? Kapuka butter? Kokum butter. Kokum butter, I'm sorry. Okay. So we're gonna get a chunk there. I mean, we're getting a healthy amount, and we're not gonna break this down, okay? We're gonna take that. Now I'm sure it's gonna break down a little bit when it hits that hot sunburn. But we're gonna, like I said, my hairline's only right there on the top. So we're gonna just smear that. All right there. We're gonna try to keep that out of our eyes too while we're doing that. Got a little bit left there. It'll be okay, we'll just wipe it off. That's a big old 4-ounce butter, so if I lost just a tiny bit of it, that's okay. Alright, now we're gonna hit the head. A little bit of water. Whew, what a nice lather there. I can't get over how well this soap worked for me. So we're gonna try to stay away from that butter right there. At least until we get done here putting our lathering up, I mean. Oh, great lather. You know, last time I used a little pre-shave, just a tiny little bit, but I'm not even going to do that now. I don't think I need it. I think this soap is perfectly fine to not need it. Plus, it's been so long since I've shaved that my hair is actually soft up there. There's no stubble feeling. So it's gonna look a little silly right there, but it doesn't matter. It'll still be nice and sleek. Clean our ears up. Alright. The Hendrix Classics DE. Oh, real quick. Most of you guys probably know this, but if you want, take and get that handle wet. Take your Allen block and rub your Allen block on it, and that'll give you grip. I don't know why it does it, but it does it. Yeah, see, it's got some grip. It works for the leaf too. If the leaf ever gets slippery on you, rub that Allen block all over it. Fingers crossed. Here we go. Boy. I felt like it stuck to me. Let's start over here. You know, I probably should have put pre-shave on the sunburn part. I didn't think about that. That'd be okay. Hey, right off the rip. Nice. For a cheap razor like that, feels great. And of course our shave soap is performing beautifully. We expected that though. I'll dry my handle off there. Alright, let's go for the sunburn. Okay. Here's what's happening. Where my skin's peeling, that razor's trying to catch it. We got it. We got it shaved, but we're not gonna take a second pass on that, so. Go ahead and wipe that beard butter off. Ooh, it smells so good though. That's the Dan C collab. Positive Vibes. Really, really nice scent. Okay, guys. So, hey, that was it. That was actually a really nice shave. Wow. There was just a little bit. So back here, I always have some stubble that I always have to go back and get. But hey, for the price of this razor, wow. I'm actually really impressed with it. Oh, I got a beard hair or something. I see it. Okay. Yeah, so, man, what a nice shave. Hey, I was not expecting that. I was expecting that I would like the razor, but I wasn't actually expecting that comfortable of a shave. That was really, really nice. I'm going to check for irritation and just see what happens. I don't think I got any, though. I sure don't feel any. Nice residual slickness there from the soap, but we expected that. No. Nope. No, that feels nice. So, okay. Real quick, guys. The Hendrix Classics. Hey, that's surprising. I'm surprised by that. Again, I expected to like the razor, but I didn't expect it to like it that much. I have a couple other DEs in there that are around the same price range, and I thought I liked them. I like this way better. Super comfortable shave. Like I said, it's got, there's a lot of blade showing right there, a lot of blade exposure. If you can see that, and I've never had a DE that has that much blade exposure, or the blade sticking out. I think that's what they call that, is blade exposure. With that blade sticking out, so I kind of felt like I had a range of angle there, like on my Gillette in there. If I move it just a slightly, different angle, it won't cut. It'll just wipe the shaving cream or shaving soap off. But with that one there, I could change the angle quite a bit and it was still cutting. You could feel it. And my head is smooth. I felt a little bit back here, but that's with every razor. That's with the leaf, that's with disposables, cartridges. It doesn't matter. There's always a little bit back there. I have to go certain directions back here to get it all. So that's no fault of the razor, no fault of the soap, anything like that. So as far as recommending this, absolutely. If you are someone like me that doesn't like to spend $100, $200, $300, $400 on double-edged razors or straight razors or just whatever, I don't like spending that big money on them razors, just for the simple fact of, I can spend it better, elsewhere. Plus, I just got laid off from my job, as most of you know, so there ain't gonna be no big expenditures for a little while. But anyway, as far as recommending that, guys, I absolutely 100% recommend that. You can pick it up at the razorcompany.com. I don't know where else you can get it. This is where I got it, so I'm gonna go ahead and say just check out the Razor Company. It's got that, I don't know what you call that, a gunmetal finish or something like that. It's got a lot of weight to it. Actually, it's really nice. Got their logo, if I can get it to focus there, got their logo on the end there. But guys, there's nothing fancy about it. It's just a good razor. I'm sure there's better out there, but as far as, your budget razors, that's a really nice one. I've got another one in there. We'll be testing it next time we shave. Hopefully the sunburn will be gone. And really, that's all I got, guys. So I appreciate everybody for joining, and we'll catch you all next Sunday. Hey everyone, thank you for watching. If you're new here and you want to support the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And remember to follow me across all social medias.